Here's a 2015 Volkswagen EOS. It's the convertible that no matter if the top is down or up, it's always exhilarating. It comes with great features you love. Auto-dimming rear-view mirror, refrigerated box located in the glove box, front heated leather bucket seats, external memory control, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, Climatronic dual-zone climate control, Bluetooth, AM/FM Sirius XM satellite radio, power retractable hardtop, sport suspension, and integrated navigation system. Automotive.com explains the EOS, named after the mythical Greek goddess of dawn, delivers the top-down thrill of driving on a sunny day. Volkswagen, where safety and performance come standard. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
Contact Jim Ellis Volkswagen of Atlanta today or stop on by. We're conveniently located inside I-285 on Peachtree Industrial.